What is up, everybody? Grab and throw. Today we'll be talking about grabbing and throwing. I still just gotta implement that more. But before I get started here, let's see what's going on. Actually, I'm gonna hit new project or just close the scene for now. Alright, so scene's closed. That's there. How about Discord? What's going on there? Streaming, HTTP, www. Oh wait, do I have it here? Just this minus the dashboard. Cool. So where do I want to go next? Oh, cool. Alright, so Ted was here about 9 o'clock, 8:30. Please create a new PR that targets dev. I don't know what that means. A new PR. What's a new PR mean? I don't know. I'll do it myself for you here. I'm able to stand still and the infantry stand far enough when attacking. Could you look at this? Okay. So that's Ted talking to Rachel. Alright, cool. So what am I supposed to do? GitHub.com. Chicken wrapped in bacon. Yes. So let's see. Is their pull request still active? Okay, so Parker just added one. Alright, I'll just keep playing on my branch then, because this is what I kind of recommend it to the group. Is, hey, I want to merge my changes. Is there a pull request waiting? And I look at the pull request here, and I see Parker has a pull request. So, yeah, I will just wait then. And then he mentioned some stuff to Rachel. Okay. So I will wait. Cool. I see Parker has camera lock waiting. So I'll wait to push my branch. And it's not ready yet anyway. Not ready yet anyway. But I did want to push all the new textures and other stuff. The assignment of new textures and other stuff. And other stuff by tomorrow sometime. Alright, upwards and onwards. So we talked some to the group. Not much going on there. We got Bamboy here on the channel with us. And I guess I'll just get started again. I just don't know what I'm doing today, so I'm kind of at a loss right now. Ooh, I want to check something. I'm gonna go to the mocap computer right quick. Okay, it's still working on some stuff. It's gonna take 14 more minutes. Okay, cool. When is the procedural generation gonna happen? So I'm not gonna do it. So unfortunately, I don't think it's gonna be on the stream. Alphas due this Monday, So I guess after the alpha, I can kind of go over all the scripts that we kind of put in there, including the procedural generation. I'm more worried about my programming task. I'm not doing it! No! Yeah, dude, I'm not doing it. Sorry, buddy. We can totally look at the script. It won't be. It's not going to be very heavy procedural generation. Yeah. So let's just see. Let's make sure we're on the newest branches. Doesn't look like it. So totally need to do that. There we go. Let's pull. Oh lordy. Conflicts. No conflict. I don't want no conflicts. Oh my gosh, you're taking forever. Alright, cool. Pull. Pull, please. Wait, why is this thing taking forever? Nothing's really running. I'm smooth, I think. Oh my gosh, what are you doing? Alright, let's see. Grab. Pull. Yeah, well, it's not 24 pulls for me. I don't think so, at least. It's like there's just been 24 commits since then, and just because a lot of people are working on it. Because alpha's due, so we have a deadline, so we're all like running around going crazy. So yeah, I'll probably be doing a lot of this over the weekend, particularly Friday night and Sunday. Alright, so I'm pulled. I'll update it, at least on my branch. So let's see what is the haps. So yeah, we're updated on my branch. Cool, so our lead dev said something at me. Holler at me when you push Parkers. Okay, so what is next? Everything should have been updated here. Should be able to open the scene. I think it's my scene here. None of that stuff is textured right now, so let's get that textured, shall we? So if we go to source, I think there's one more thing we gotta look at, and that's the models. Yeah, you see I'm here. Where I really want to be is here. Actually, that should have already... Anyway, whatever. I'm going to check out that branch. Great. Alright, Honest Abe Dev. Alright, and I'm gonna hit play. Oh wait, it's not. You know what? I just remembered. I remembered. It was the sprites folder that needs to get updated. How far back am I? Oh jeez. Yeah, let's get master on here. Okay, let's go to master. Let's check out master. And let's pull. Yes. Alright, so I finally have all my ducks in a row. So hopefully this stuff will update better. Murder song. What do you speak of there? Is it too dark? Too mysterious? Oh, let's go. Let's go, Art. I'm ready, Art. It's okay. Sprites should be set. Too much chrono? I love chrono. I still don't have enough chrono. Not enough spaces. Too few spaces.
Why are there so many
Oh no.
songs about rainbows?
Why is Kermit the Frog singing?
The other side. Rainbows are visions,
Alright.
but only illusions, and rainbows have nothing to hide. So we've been told, and some choose to believe it. I know they're wrong, wait and see.
Oh, come on.
Someday we'll find it, the rainbow connection, the lovers, the dreamers, and me.
You gotta check in these files with the meta files, people. If you don't do it, there's gonna be problems.
Heard and answered when wished on the morning star.
I'm disappointed.
Somebody thought of that, and someone believed it.
But I know, he's just an artist and a game designer. He's not a dev, so he doesn't know about the meta issue.
What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing? And what do we think we might see? Someday we'll find it.
You're not supposed to push the meta files? No, just the opposite. You are supposed to push your PNGs with the meta files. If you don't, every developer is gonna have a different meta file because like it generates a random ID when you like load the image files. So when I tie that image to like a prefab or something, I'm gonna have a different ID than another developer, and so I guess I'm just more angry that they didn't push the meta files. So my meta files is gonna be what we're gonna push here.
Is this the sweet sound that calls the young?
Please push meta don't really have anything special about it, so you just go into the movement state, and then when you're done inputting stuff, then you go back to idle. The attack state, you like wind up for your attack, you punch, and then you finish punching. The jump state, you know, you're here, you like go down, jump up, come back down, and then you land, and then you get your position back. You like reset yourself. For the grab, you get ready to grab, you grab. If there's anyone there, you hold on to them. If there's no one there, then you just like, oh well, I didn't grab anything. But so if you're holding someone, you can do 3 other things. You can like punch them, you can throw them, or if you wait too long, they'll just break out of your grab. Music went bye-bye. I'll just hit next song. Okay. You can throw a weapon, and then you're done. If you run into a collider box, a damage box, you get stunned for a second. So like that's if you get hit. Let's see. There's a second kind of stun. So if you get thrown, or I guess if you get hit in the air, you like start falling in the air. So like you're in the air, then you hit the ground, and then you got to get back up. So that is those states. And then finally, the grab state is if you grab and someone trying to grab you, you get grabbed. And the only ways really to break out is to get thrown or to break out of the grab in some time. Okay. And this is more for the enemy. I'm thinking if the player can get grabbed, then you like pound the button to get out of the grab state. But that's not what we're gonna do for the alpha. So this is my idea. This is how I'm gonna program everything. We're kind of already in this direction, but I kind of want to go ahead and make this character state script, and that will kind of be this master handling all of this. So that is what we'll be working on today. Cool, so let's go. Let's go. So if we look at the scripts, I'm going to go ahead and make a big one called the character state. C# character state. Yep. And here we go. Public. So we're going to have multiple states. Movement.state, and I guess I'll just call them what they are. Public attack state, public jump state, public grab state. Ooh, good question. This one's gonna be the grabber state. The grab state, public throw state, public stun. We don't have stun yet. This could be stun state. I think for now I'm gonna do 2 different knockdown dot state equals knockdown. So we're gonna need 2 different classes for that, and then public grabbable dot state grabbed state. Cool. So those are all the states that match up with these. Yay. Okay. So that is our character state. Okay. Yeesh, I'm hiding all the chat and everything. Oh, but there's no one chatting, so that's okay. But what about on Discord? That's kind of what I need to see. Developers. Sweet. All right. So let's keep going with our states, shall we? We're gonna need 2 more scripts. Stun. And I guess knockdown. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Knockdown. Nice. Reload all. Okay. Character state? Yep. No problem, we'll just jump onto that script. We'll make a public enum state like everyone else has. And I always like to start off with null. And then in the stun state, I think you're just stunned, right? And those are our 2 states. And I'll go ahead and delete everything else in the meantime. Yep. So we got a stun state, and what about knockdown? Knockdown needs a public enum state, and I like to start it off with null. And then I guess we'll have in air, on ground, getting up. Okay. Delete the rest of these lines for now. Great. So now we got knockdown state and grabbable state. Cool. Public void set state. In case there needs to be any kind of checks or anything. Attack, jump, grabber, throw, stun, knockdown, grabbable. So we're going to overload this method by just changing what kind of state. And sometimes if you set a state of 1, it might affect the states of other things. So that's why I'm making this kind of master character state thing, so that you're not really modifying states what am I trying to say? So you're not modifying the states from the actual scripts themselves. So maybe like, I guess to keep the scripts themselves more modular, and this is kind of the master to like talk between the scripts. The delegator, maybe. Alright, so that is how I'm doing it so far. Don't know if it's the best solution, but might be a pretty good one. So, okay, let's go to movement. Movement states. Oh my goodness. So far, you are kind of the everything right now. Oh, I think I'm doing it wrong. This is not how I'm supposed to be doing it. You're supposed to be the master. So you are actually supposed to tell me what script you're using at the time. Oh, I see. Says the blind man. Okay. Idle, movement. Shoot, yeah, is that how I'm supposed to be doing it? I'm thinking. Always thinking. Let's just, yeah, let's see. Attack. Let's just go, yeah. Movement, attack, jump, grab, throw, stun, knock down, grab. So really, I just need to know what state you're in. So screw all of this. Let the scripts talk to each other, I guess. Public, state, state. And public, void, set state, state, new state. State equals new state. Who knows? And I guess this is more just so that not everyone's talking to movement, everyone's talking to the character state. So here we go. All I'm going to have for you is null or walk. Guess you're either walking or you're null. This is going to be very, very crazy. Alright, so okay, movement's done. So we're either walking or we're null. No problem. Movement's easy. But I guess, oof, yeah. Movement, come back please. We need to actually... guess we have to set the character state. So okay, we have input. The input talks to who? So you? No, I guess everyone just kind of refers back to character state. Okay, back, go back. Yeah, I think this is what I want. say private void set state new state. Basically, if new state, well, alright, state equals new state, and I'm going to say if new state equals state dot walk. I know what I'm missing, the actual character. Character state equals get component character state. We're going to require this. Require component type of character states. Does this have to be in parentheses? Yeah. Okay. So we got character states. And we'll just say set state dot walk, or set state dot null. Okay. If state dot walk, then character set dot set state of movement. Else character set dot set state idle. I wonder, character state should have a null. I will add it. Okay, yeah. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I don't mind you doing all of this. I might space you out a little different just so you look like an if statement. And then finally, if. First I'm going to say if state equals new state. Just return, you don't really need to do anything. If character.state equals alright, so this can only run, this movement script can only run if character.state equals, so say if character.state equals this dot idle, or character.state equals this dot movement. Otherwise you don't run this. So let's just make this not and not, so we just knotted that whole statement and we're leaving. Oh geez, except that's not how you do it. You say not equals. Ah, not equals, not equals, there we go. So if you're not equal to idle and you're not equal to movement, then get out of here. You can't move. I don't really care about the direction. Alright, good. Good, 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 good. So just do the same thing here. I guess so. Okay. I feel okay with that. I'm just not sure. I feel it's fine. Alright. I guess we gotta test it, right? We can't really test our other functionality. Oh gosh, there is errors. Ooh, you know what'd be really nice? On the character state. Public bool can move. Oh yeah, that's gonna be great. Return state equals state.idle or state equals state.movement. Nice. Alright, I like where I'm going with this. Public bool can attack. Return state equals state.attack idle or state equals state.movement. So you can attack if you're idle or moving. You can move if you're idle or moving. Public bool can jump. Return state equals state.idle or state.movement. Okay. Yeah, basically a lot of these things. Can grab, totes, can throw. Ooh. Alright, so far so good. So instead of doing this long thing, we can just say can move. Oops. Character state can move. I would say if not, character state can move, then get out of here. And kind of the same thing up here. Okay, great. Love it. Let's go to attack now. So we just say character. Oh, we don't have character state yet. We're gonna get it. Character state equals get component character state. Make that a field. I would like to get rid of you and you. Yeah, that's it. Alright, cool. So get rid of you. I will have to look at the grab box stuff later. Set weapon, blah blah blah. Alright, here we go. So character state can attack. So if not, still good. And then we just say character state dot set state. Characters set state attack. Alright, cool. Nice. Okay, so that's all great. Same thing. Not character state dot can attack. And then up here, character dot set state. Character set state dot attack. Okay. And then character state, the other one, character state dot set state. Character state dot idle. Nice. All right. Right, so what am I going to do here? What do you do for grab? I think I'm going to move this grab code into the grabber. So you. Where's the grab? Grabber. Uh-oh. I don't remember what it was. Alright, let's look at our working copy. This is the attack script. So what did we take out? We took out, at the top, it's a grabber. Okay. So here, we're going to just need to set that to the grab box. So all of this. Create or get grab box. Under grabber. And we just call it the grab area. Grab area. Alright, cool. attack looking pretty good. Oh, go ahead and make sure on grab that that's true. Grabber. There we go. So no grab box. No problem. Here we go. I see that we don't have character state. No problem. Character state equals get component. Character state. Character state dot can throw. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Take out movement. We just say character state dot set state dot throw. Character state dot idle. Nice. Okay. That's all looking pretty good. Let's keep cleaning up these movements. So really, I think all these are going to be like character state equals get component character state. So I'm going to get rid of movements for now. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. I think we could just do two else if statements here. And we can just say character state dot not not character state dot can throw. No, what are we doing? Can grab, yeah. Don't worry about doing it here. Okay. Character dot grab, set state, character dot state dot grab. Nice. Okay, down here, character state dot set state, character state dot idle. Okay. Yeah. Let's just keep refactoring a bit. Let's go up here. This is grabbable. I think it'd be better if we can kind of do these things. Like, we already do movement, like, you can't move when you're grabbed, so that's already given. But I think, like, the movement AI and the attack AI should totally follow that same logic, I guess. So we'll see. Alright, well, let's totally get the character state. Character state equals get component. Character state. Until it's a character state dot set state character dot state grabbed. So we set the state to grab, but I don't see that we're setting our state to... I wonder if that was a bug. Anyway, I'm totally doing it here. Set state to character state dot idle. We'll see. Maybe that's wrong. Maybe that's right. We'll see. Let's go ahead and grab character states. Character state equals, equals get component character state. Here, you should totally say character state dot can jump, except not is grounded. Okay, very nice, very nice, very nice. So this is kind of a workaround for now. And not that I really like it, but it'll get the job done. Alright, how are we doing? Oh, I have 0 errors? Awesome! So let's see what works, what broke. And move onwards. So totally player. I don't think we even have character state on player. Let's put that there. Alright, character state on player. You can't do anything. Alright. I see, I see. So character state. We have all of that cool stuff. Private void awake. Let's go ahead and, or better yet, on enable. State, set state, state.idle. Private void on disable, set state, state.null. So we're at idle, you can move, and you can stop. Jump. Alright, so here's the deal. Movement's disabled when you jump. We can totally enable movement, but it's actually going to have to be the can move has to be even on jump. So where are we at? Movable character state, can move. Let's go ahead and say or state equals state.jump. Okay. So that's working okay. So you can't move on the attack, which is fine. Right now you can't move on a grab. So I guess I might allow the grab to also move. Alright, when we're setting the state on movement, so I'm only going to set the state if we're movement. What? It's object destroyer. Movement. When we set the state, if new state equals state.walk. And character.state equals character.state.idle. Then you can set it to movement. Else if character state equals to movement, then you can move it back. Otherwise, don't worry about changing it at all. Always let you set the state. Okay, that's interesting. If the magnitude is greater than 0, set state walk. And then you should just say state equals new state all the time, so it's walk, walk, walk. don't know why it's like going idle movement, idle movement. It's weird. Let's check the player controls, because I guess that's what's moving it. Wait, who's controlling movement? Oh, I guess there's a player motor script? Yeah. Whoa. I want everything in by Sunday evening so that Tomater can do one last merge Sunday night. So do what you want, but obey that deadline. I don't know why. Worry about it too much, but that's kind of annoying. Alright, let's take a look at what's happening. In Visual Studio, on the update loop, if movement.enabled, if I'm just multiplying by 100 for no good reason. Alright, so movements, right? Debug.log.delta position. That'd be good. I just want to see a nice history of that. That's the thing, right? Like, so I go here, clear it, that's all I got. Zeros, and then I hit right. Wait. Yeah. Right. Yeah, that number just stops going. Whoa. Okay, okay. I know there's other errors, but let's see. So it's definitely not that. Square magnitude is Or I could just say not equal to vector 2.0. I didn't merge my change yet. After my stream, I'll go ahead and put a pull request in if no one else has one out there. Alright, let's see, player, all the way at the bottom. It's just like movement idle, movement idle, movement idle, movement idle, and I'm trying to figure out what in the world does that mean. So movement, negative 100. I know you don't see the console, maybe if I brought this over here. Alright, so you can see that my negative 100 is going up, but my 000 is not going up, so we know it's not equal to that. So I don't know who is calling this set to idle, but I bet it's someone else. So let's find the references to that, yeah. So let's find this. Yep. Yeah, that's okay. YouTube. In movement, I agree. Find in... How do you find, like, in solution? Here we go. Find in entire solution. Yep, yep. Finish land. I don't... Ooh, yeah, well, who calls you? I think you only call you. Alright, finish land. On release. Back to idle. Back to idle. Finish attack. Alright, here's the dealio. Solution Explorer. No, not even Solution Explorer. I'm going to figure this out. There we go. We're moving around, and we can see that just moving to the left, I see movement idle, movement idle, movement idle. No problem. Disable the jump script. Movement idle, movement idle, movement idle. It's not you. Let's disable the player controls. Movement idle, movement idle, movement idle. Okay. Attack doesn't have any update. Melee doesn't have any update. Base collision. I don't think it's player motor. It's gotta be this guy, right? The air state is walk pretty consistently. Generic animation, health slider. What the snap? What the snap-a-lapagus? Character animation. Character state. On enable, on disable, no problem. Find all references to this. Find all references to this. Find all references to this. Alright, so finish attack. I don't know. Alright, so you are setting the idle. Character set. On enable, yep. Grabbable. Release. When do you run release? Find all references. Grabbable. Public void release. When do you run release? Oh, this is driving me crazy. Let's just make a new scene. Sure, we'll save this one. Let's just put our player in here. Sprites. Prefabs. Actors. Player. And right here in the middle. Alright, so what are you expecting? What do you want? Character state. Okay, so you don't have a character state, so you're yelling at me. No problem. Character state. Alright, what else are you missing? Help slider. If damage threshold slider, then do that. If current help slider, then do that. Alright, what else we got? So I'm going to say if not this or not current help slider on disable or set enabled Equals false. Oh yeah, still need that. So what's going on? Why can't I move? So I got movement. Do I have player motor? I have player motor. What does player motor do? Oh yeah. Testing. Yep, that's still a problem. Okay, well, good to know that that's still a problem. I don't know why I did all this crazy scripting on the other thing, on the health slider. I should totally not have done that. So let's go ahead and delete all this stuff. There we go. I could totally just disable it, or, yeah, totally just disable it. Or better yet, just remove it for now. Remove. What do I need to remove? Player motor is good, base collision is good. Animator's good. All of this I'm taking off. Alright, movement's good. Even Y to Z. Alright, cool. Not jump, return. Well, why don't you require can't require component in parent? Oh well. Well, I can disable it if you don't have jump. So that's good. That should load up no problem. It's the movement script for sure. We have bare minimums on this thing. Alright, well, good to know that we narrowed down everything to the movement script. Now let's see why. Is there an update function? There's not. But you say you have an update function. I am confused. why do you say you have some kind of update function? I don't know. Might be just the logic, right? If new state equals state.walk, I'm an idiot. There we go. OMG. Alright, that works. I'm on board. Back to the other scene. Don't save this one. Oh my gosh, that took forever. Alright, so player. Scroll all the way down. Movement, there we go. So you're using the movement script. Fine. Moving this guy all the way to the top. Alright, so here we go. We got the state. Yeah. Alright, here we go. So you have movement going on. That's cool. Then jump. Then the attack. I'm good. What else can we do? Grab. Grab and then movement. What else? Grab. Got a weapon. What? This thing's scaling down? It got really small. Why is it getting so small? Oh yeah, the enemies don't have character states. Let's go ahead and give the enemies character states too. So that's pretty easy. That should just be able to go right into actors, enemy, add component, yeah, character state. I'm gonna just collapse everything. Alright, cool. I guess I'll put it one more higher. No, that's good. I think the Unity stuff should go up to the top. Then our scripts kind of do the same here. I don't know if any of this stuff is going to save, but I don't think it's a waste of time. Box. Animator. Alright, cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Alright, so some other stuff is happening. Okay, yeah, just ouch. Okay. Stunned. It would really be nice to have a stun state, right? Stun. Stun duration. Let's just say half a second. And stun timer equals 0. And then I'm just going to say activate stun. And then all I'm going to do is just say enable public void enabled equals true. We need the state as well. Public state enabled equals true. Here, private void on enable stun timer equals 0. Private void on disable state equals state dot null. I'm trying to figure out the best way to do this. I'll just say get stunned. And what happened to my music? What's this guy? So this is what I'm going to say, stun timer. Private void finish stun. Private void awake. Character state equals that set equals get component character state. Alright, stun time plus equals stun duration. No time, that delta time. If stun timer is greater than or equal to stun duration, finish stun. I won't do any of this on enable, maybe on the disable. Private void on disable. State equals state dot null. Okay. Finish stun. So get stun, we'll say stun timer equals 0. Enabled equals true. Oh, we already did that. Stun timer equals 0. And here we're going to say enabled equals false. Oh yeah, don't forget to set the character state. State equals state dot stunned, and character state dot set state character dot state dot stun. Okay. Idle, so state.stun, character set.state, stun timer. Okay. If state equals state.stunned. State does not equal state.stunned, then return. Okay, I'm happy with that. Something like that. wonder if I need base collision here. Say collision dot on collision plus equals on collision. Oh, here, right quick, player controls. I just want to see something. If I hit the, not S, yeah, B, hit the B key. Hit input, let's get the stun script. Alright, so if input dot get key down, key code dot B, stun dot get stunned. Oh, yeah, might help if I actually attach the player. So, player, you can totally get stunned. Player. I need an animation for it, I guess. I guess we can have an animator. Let's see, stun. Animator. And the animator will do what? I guess you just trigger this animator dot set trigger stun. Okay, and then just go here, general human controller, just the regular layer and a base layer. Here we go. We'll have stun. Well, like block. Alright, so any state. If you get trigger stun, which is not on here yet. Trigger stun. Oh, I'm jumping. You stopped moving, so that's cool. Alright, so those guys don't get stunned. Oh, well, we're not doing the damage check thing. Okay. How do we make it so that when you get hit by a damage collider thing... I mean, I guess I can just say check collision on... Alright, let's just do that. Alright, let's do that, let's do that. Stun, stun, stun. Okay. Let's not worry about enabling and disabling the script. That's not what I really want to do here. The rest of the stuff I am interested in, like state.null. Yes, all that's great. Void on enable collision dot on collision plus equals on collision. And let's kind of do the same thing here, but minus equals. And then finally on collision will just be if hit dot collider dot tag equals damage. We are going to get stunned. So I'm gonna check this out. Oh, I'm getting stunned. Oh, he's gonna kick my ass. These guys are winning. Alright, so maybe 0.5 is too long. Try to hit you first. Oh, you got me. Oh, geez, stop killing me. Okay, I'm out of the way. Wait, you don't get stunned? What's wrong with me? Or what's wrong with you? Which enemy are you? Okay. Collider. Alright. Get out the way! He's kicking my ass! Oh, come on. Oh, I gotta wait. Oh! Alright, I gotta set that stun timer to something a lot smaller. Or you know what, better yet, maybe I shouldn't get stunned. That is actually much better. So let's go ahead and go to player. I don't want to be able to get stunned. Alright, so here we go. I shouldn't be able to get stunned. But you should be able to get stunned. Guess not. Alright, why aren't you getting stunned? So let's go to actors, enemy, because you don't have a stun script, so that Makes sense. Alright, pretty good. Oh, you're still moving now. Love it. What's the duration of that block? So if I go to animation controls, general human controller, and just went to the stun animation, and this guy, looked at him, 1.83 seconds. Alright. Do me a favor, I'm going to do 2, and I'm going to divide calc. Get the second calc. For some reason the first calc never works. 1.833 divided by 2, so I'll say like 0.92. So your speed 2, okay. Awesome. So stunned, just for ridiculousness, 0.92, go to the enemy, wherever you may be. Afters. Oh, come on, come on. Enemy. Revert. Reset. 0.92. Awesome. So that's me stunning people. That's me grabbing people. Alright, so me hitting like this. Well, here's the thing. If I'm stunned, I shouldn't be able to attack anymore. But I will work that out in a bit. It's just nice to see something happen when you actually hit them, so I'm stoked about that. Alright, yeah, it's bedtime. I've been on here way too long. Almost 2 hours. But I had a great time. We got stunned in. We are totally getting that state machine kind of pumping, so I'm very excited about all of that. Let me go ahead and remove this debug statement, because that's totally driving me a little crazy too. I'm going to close all of this. Close all docs. One last test on maximize just to make sure it all gels. Here we go. Here's the game. Alright, so I can hit people, and they get stunned. There we go. I like that they get stunned now. But they're still attacking. Like if I hit them mid-attack, it's still attacking. So definitely need to work that out. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I think I can still grab people. I think so. Let's see. Trying to grab somebody. There we go. I got somebody. Oh my gosh, they killed him. Wait, how did that work? What? I didn't even do anything to get that working. That is awesome. He's even bleeding and everything.
It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory.
So much blood, not enough processing power. Alright. Yeah. Oh, I died. I don't know what happened there. Okay, well, it seems to be working. So I'm totally saving my scene. Ah, it closed. What's its face name? Should I turn it back on? Nightbot. Nightbot. Let's see, let's refresh this. Alright, there aren't any open pull requests. Sweet! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to commit this. Yeah, let's go ahead and finish up for tonight. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, did some of that. Enemy prefab. Yeah, I played with that a bit. Attack, character state. Yeah, all very good stuff. Knockdown. I haven't really messed with that yet. Movement, player controls. What are player controls? Oh yeah. Let me look at that if I can. I just want to delete the get key down part. That doesn't really need to happen. So that's going to delete a few things from here. So I don't need stunned, don't need stunned, and I don't need these things. Alright, cool. So yeah, it didn't even change anymore. Good. Stunned. Wait, what's dirty? Something said dirty. And throw. Alright. We're getting there. Where am I going to go with this? Checking all this in. Models, sprites, generic, all of that. So this is what we did. Started refactoring all the states to use diagram. To use state diagram. My latest state diagram. i.e. character state. Also added stun. Cool. So I'm going to commit this and push and pray. Definitely pray a lot. Pray to the Git gods. Oh, Git God. I really want this to work. No, what do you want? Let's cancel. Let's open up models. Let's see what's going on here. We got some uncommitted changes. What may they be? Oh, Axe, Confederate. Yeah, okay. Change materials to use new meta files in Sprite. Select all of that. Commit. And then I'll have to redo the models folder on my main Git. Yes. And now I should be able to commit to you. Oh, Git gods. Please, please, please. Let this work. Yes! Okay. So that's just step one. Now I gotta commit, merge everyone else's stuff into mine. So let's see what that looks like. So how am I gonna do that? Okay, so let's fetch to make sure I got the latest stuff. Alright, there we go. Here's the latest stuff. I'm gonna merge with this. Yep, there's totally conflicts and I totally understand. So we're gonna go to working copy. Okay, totally use mine. The audio, I don't really care. Main camera prefab, not worried, not worried, not worried. Totally use theirs. Oh, well, I mean, yeah. Camera follow, not worried. Game manager. Player health. Attack area. That's fine, that's fine. I don't care about that. Don't care about that. Player health. I don't even think I did anything, so that's nice. Health. Yep, don't care about that. Private bool slow motion. I like the idea, for sure. Yeah, camera follow, not worried. Sweet. Oh, before I committed, I should have checked Unity. It's always good after you're done with doing all the merges, open up in Unity, make sure the game runs, which is totally something I should have done. I just didn't do it, so let's do it now. And then if I need to, I will amend my push. This is me not even doing anything. Nice, I love it. Alright, anyway. Let's, oh wait, I saw an error. And I think that box up there is supposed to be a top hat. So totally in the scene. However, we're supposed to do this. Yeah, all of that. This. BT slider. Background, fill area. Who knows, right? Handle. Yeah, let's go ahead and say Ape hat. I don't know which one's better. Let's just do this one. I don't know what else. I love it. But yeah, those weapons are way too strong. Okay. The game looks like it's running fine, so I'm happy. Yeah. So my play scene for sure. Project version, I really don't care. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to amend this commit. Do I discard this? Come on. There we go. So I can go here, click amend commit. Yep. I'm not going to push it because it's going to just yell at me if I try to push it. And then I can go to my terminal and just say git push -f. And it's going to want the password. And there we go. And just fetch. I think he fetched without even asking, so that's nice. Okay, so merge remote, awesome. And now I could totally do the pull request. So just close that out. Go to wherever I need to go. New pull request. Dev. Grab. Is that the one I'm on? Who knows? Alright, yeah, see that's a lot of junk. So let's go back up here. Alright, I think I'm good. I think I'm happy. Refactored attack states, updated state machine chart. I didn't do that today. Oh well. What am I thinking? Is there something else? Do I just hit current? Oh, I just wanted to see what... Yeah, grab. That's... Just wanted to make sure I was doing the right one. Leave comment. Dead. I merged with dev first before making a pull request. I didn't see anyone else. No, not that. I merged with dev. I didn't save to playscene.unity, so all my changes are in playscene-etito-fresh.unity. I think as long as we do the one pull request at a time policy. We should just save to play scene directly. Yeah? What do you think? PT. Alright. Alright, I'm cool. I think that's all good. Okay, I'm done streaming for tonight. I just put in pull request. Ooh, I should totally link it. Linka. GitHub. Pull request 51. At Ted Mater, at Chris Tubes. Thanks and good night. Alright everybody, I'm gone too. Thanks for watching if you're here. I'll do this again tomorrow night. Good night. Bye.